I have a strong desire to do very well in my studies, but I end up getting distracted very easily. How can I improve my focus and stay motivated?
You have a strong desire to excel, and at the same time, you are distracted. Why? A person who has a strong desire, you are using the word strong, and you have a strong desire, then nothing should distract you, right? Then you should focus solely on your objects which you have in your minds. So you try to achieve your objectives, and for that you work hard. Pray to Allah Ta'ala that Allah Ta'ala, so when you are praying, you always pray Ihdina Siratal Mustaqim, Ihdina Siratal Mustaqim, Ihdina Siratal Mustaqim repeatedly, so that you are not distracted and Allah Ta'ala keep you on the right path. So the right path for, not only for your spiritual betterment, the right path is also for your worldly achievements. Right? So, Ihdina Siratal Mustaqim, when you are reciting Ihdina Siratal Mustaqim, you keep in mind that Ihdina Siratal Mustaqim means that I am seeking Allah's help for my spiritual betterment and for my worldly achievements. Right? So, in this way, when you pray to Allah Ta'ala, then Allah Ta'ala will help you, guide you, and try to concentrate on your studies. When you are distracted, you leave it and do some other things. And then after some time, you will realize that you have wasted your time. And then you will again come back to start your studies. So determination makes you to achieve your targets. If you have a strong desire, then there should be determination. And try to be determined. Okay? And this way you can achieve